Today we're going to observe this ice. Has anyone ever filled up an ice tray? Okay. How does it feel once the water freezes and you pull the ice tray out? Does it feel lighter or heavier? How does it feel? Heavier. Okay. We're going to explore states of matter today. Changes in states of matter. So, I have a question to ask you. Is everyone's thinking caps on?
Yeah.
Okay, if they're not on, put them on. This is a very important question. We're going to make a prediction. That's a step in our scientific method, right? Bless you. We are going to make a prediction about the ice in this cup. If we weigh this ice right now, let's see how much it weighs. And then I go on and we're gonna read in our book a little bit and do some stuff on the board. And we wait until class is almost over. And we come back later. What's gonna happen to this ice?
Oh, I don't know.
Casey.
It's probably gonna melt.
Probably gonna melt. How is the mass going to be affected? How is the mass going to change?
What's with the camera?
How is the mass going to change? Do you think it's going to get heavier? Do you think it's going to get lighter? Do you think something else? So think about it for a second. Just think in your head. Everyone's going to have to vote. You're going to have to make a prediction. I'm going to write your prediction up on the board. Do you think it's going to be heavier? Do you think it's going to be lighter? Or something else completely? You can only vote once, okay? So, if you think that the cup will be heavier after the ice melts, raise your hand. It'll be heavier when the ice melts. No one? Cameron, do you think it's going to be heavier once the ice melts? Okay, I'm going to write your name on the board. Who thinks it will be lighter once the ice melts? It will be lighter when the ice melts. Tia thinks it'll be heavier?
I think it will be sort of heavy.
Okay, hold on, stop. Everyone put your hands down. We only get to vote one time. I can't go back anymore. Raise your hand if you think the mass of the cup and the contents inside of it will be heavier. Heavier once the ice melts. The mass will be heavier once the ice melts. How did we go from 1 to 20?
No, they just...
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is your hand up? Your hand's up? 12. Okay, hands down. Raise your hand if you think the mass of the contents in the cup will be lighter. Lighter once it melts. Wait, something's okay. 1, raise your hand up. 1, 2. David, your hand up.
No.
2. Okay. Shh, you already voted. I can't listen to you. You already voted. Kaylee already voted. Okay. What if you think something different completely? Does anyone think something different completely? David?
It's going to be equal because it has the same amount of water in the ice cube, even if it melts.
Nicholas?
I think it will be the same.
Okay. So, here's the deal. I've got 2 that I think it'll be lighter. Actually, I had to I wrote 2 underliners, so I'm gonna write 2 under the same. 2 that all think it'll be the same. 2 that think it'll be heavier, and 2 that think it'll be lighter.
2 that think it'll be heavier.
2 that think it'll be the same, 12 that thinks it's gonna be heavier, and 2 that thinks it will be lighter.